Hello everyone, welcome to another Apple Music video tutorial. Now today in this tutorial I will show you how to use Apple Music on TikTok. Now did you know that you can actually integrate Apple Music with TikTok and you can actually use it that way as well. So this is what you need to do. So connect Apple Music to TikTok in the TikTok app. So launch the TikTok app. Tap on the three tiny dots placed horizontally at the top right corner and then scroll down until you see accessibility. Now, once you tap accessibility here, you'll be able to tap on connect to Apple Music. Now, as you can see, you will go here and basically it will leave you to the media and Apple Music. So just make sure to turn that on and basically a pop-up will, go and you will click OK. And obviously you can go to the settings and go to your device and select TikTok and do just this, what I told you. So you can use Apple Music on TikTok during editing the videos. You can stream all kinds of music you like on TikTok to make your video more attractive as well. So this is basically what you can do. Now, obviously, if you want to add, and convert Apple Music to TikTok, that's another story for another video. But this is actually how you can use Apple Music on TikTok. So if you have any questions or if you want more videos just like this on Apple Music and other different tech tutorials, subscribe to our channel and we'll see you in the next video.